Fastspotter 1.2 to 1.2. Probably a little bit too much power there, but we'll just try and break that off now. As you can see, a good stud. So you got a mark on one side, but obviously a little mark with the heat transferring through. Obviously that will not break apart, obviously, unless you break the lug. Okay, next one. 1.5 to 1.5. Again, weld through there. Same power again. As you can see, very solid spot. Okay, next one. Again, this is 2mm to 2mm. Obviously not meant for 2mm to 2mm, but we'll give it a try. All these are on the same settings as the first one. Obviously you can drop down on the power, but again, as you can see, you might find after doing plenty of spots that the gun would get warm, but you can actually get a water cooled gun for these if needed. And there's the lug pulling out.